Hey guys, today we'll be showing you how can you attach a coaxial cable into this coaxial connector. If you have a satellite cable, but don't use satellite dish because it might not work. But if you have a very old like a satellite dish, but it doesn't look like a circle, it's like a arrow, it might work. This is easy. You need to see the wait, let me try to focus. This is the wire. I'm not sure if you guys can see it because yeah, you guys can see it. And this has a hole that's like the when the satellite dish cable boxes will have that. You attach this in here. You need to fully secure it, and voila, you have a cable in. And now you will attach it into the TV. So let's do that now. As you can see, I'm in the Belgian cable box. It says no signal. It says 0%. So let's install the cable on the back of it. The cable is plugged in, and as you can see, the signal quality, it's on 90%. Because this cable is not a really good quality cable. But I'm using this original gray cable for that. Wait, let me mute this really quick. You see, this is the original cable because it has an awesome quality. Because it works on 100% all the time. Because if this cable box stays on 100% all the time, you see the decibels. Because when I moved to a channel, I saw it has 3 decibels. That means it's a very powerful signal. So thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe and turn on post notifications. Bye.